Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I got this easy smoky eye. I know a lot of people struggle with the gray smoky eyes, so if you're interested in seeing how I do it, then stay tuned. I'm using the Spotlight palette from You Can Be. First, we're going to start with the black on a small fluffy brush, and we're just going to start by packing that on the outer corner of our eye. After it's packed on there, then you go back and start going in little circular motions along the outer corner, and then also towards your crease area, you're going to go in back and forth motions to really blend that out and make it fade into the skin. You want to have a really light hand with this, otherwise with blacks and grays, it can get patchy really fast if you have too much pressure. So the lighter the pressure, the better. To help blend everything even more, we're going to take this really light nude shade on a fluffy brush and take it to the edges of that gray to get rid of any kind of harsh edges you might still have. Next, just using our finger, we're going to be taking this shimmer shade. It's kind of a blue-gray, and we're going to be applying that to the first half of our inner corner, and just start by packing it on and then tap it out to blend into that gray. Now just taking a flat, fluffy brush, we're going to take some of that black and bring it down to our lower lash line, going almost to the inner corner, but not quite. I'm just going in back and forth motions and really smoking that out, and then as you can see, there's that little gap in your inner corner. I also like to take whatever's left on the brush and blend that to my outer corner on the top just to bring everything together. Now with a small rounded brush, I'm going back in with that shimmer shade, and we're going to fill in that little gap that we left, and we're also going to be bringing it into our very inner corner and blending it up into that top shimmer. Now we're just going to take a black eyeliner pencil and fill in our lower waterline. I don't like to bring the black in my waterline all the way to the inner corner, because if you're like me and you get watery eyes throughout the day, if you don't go all the way into the inner corner, it kind of prevents the black from getting all messy in your inner corners throughout the day. And then once it's applied, I just like to take that fluffy brush and just smudge it out a little bit. Now we're just going to add falsies and some mascara. This is the finished look. I hope I made it as simple as possible for you guys. If you have any extra questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer to the best of my abilities. And I will see you guys next time.